Just a quick tip for you. See these bolts? See how they're brass? Real brass. These are good. They don't rot and they don't rust. You see these? These are steel. These are gonna rust real easy. Junk. So if you're ever rebuilding a toilet and you come across brass bolts like this that are still in good shape and they're not crusty, keep them, reuse them. I'm not going to be using this junk. I'm going to be reusing these good brass bolts that were in there. Now I'm going to use new gaskets because I am rebuilding a toilet entirely. So, yeah. But yeah, I'm going to keep those brass bolts. I'm going to reuse them. These are steel. Them will rust. Junk. Brass will not rust and will not rot. There are brass toilet bolts that are 40 and 50 years old that are not rusted. These will rust within 3 to 5 years, I guarantee it. So, junk.